Alright guys, it came in the mail today. Got my Alien 3D box. We're going to do an unboxing and we're going to see what's in it. Alright, first let's look at the box. I think it was designed by Art Mods. Let's see. See if I can put it on the screen somewhere. Art Mods, like right in here somewhere. Okay. So, because he's on the box. But, it's kind of a Celtic design. Looks like a Celtic sword or something. Don't know. But that's what it looks like to me. So, let's get out my handy dandy knife and let's see what we got. Alright, move it over here to the side. Open it up. And of course, the first thing we're going to get is the UFO triple flyer that has all your information in it. Looks like we've got Strong Hero 3D, some Artesia, IC 3D, Snow Labs, and some Art Mod design shirts and stuff of that nature over here. So that's what that looks like. Let's put that there. Now, next thing I see on top is a paintbrush. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Artesia acrylic colors. Oh wait, hiding here, there's another brush, a wider brush. So, we're getting into some making stuff this time. Now we have a perf board. Looks like it has a 9-volt connector and several LEDs in here. I'm going to lay that there. And of course, he sends Kuntry's favorite Haribo Gold Bears. Oh wait, there's more. There's more candy. Luck of the Irish. Look at there. Pretty sure that's some kind of mint. It feels like a hard candy. Now let's see what kind of swag we got here. Wow. We have a 3D printed lizard. I forget, what is that, Gecko Tex? Is that Gecko Tex? I'm not sure who's. Let's see if it's in the flyer here. I don't see one. Not sure, but we'll find out. Alright, so let's see what else we got. We have Snow Labs sticker. We have a printed solid sticker. Trying to see what else we got before I start digging the good stuff out of here. Oh, wow. And a man after my own heart. Oh, I gotta wait. I gotta wait for that. That will get worn on the stream. But let me get the filament out of the box here. And let's see if we can do this right. Right here, I have some IC 3D Ranger Green PETG. Extrusion temperatures 245 to 270 C. Bed temperature 70 C. Then I have some Snow Labs Extra Temp Gradient Rainbow PLA 190 to 230 C. Printing, bed temperature of 0 to 80 C. From Snow Labs. But that's a gradient. Let's see. I can't really tell. Oh, yeah, you can. How about that? You can see the little... I couldn't tell in my... because it's dark in here. Alright, let's try this. Now we got some... what's this? Stro 3D? I guess. Silk Gold PLA. Extrusion temperature is 190 to 220. Bed temperature of 0 to 60. And then... we have some PLA Pro Select Glint Green Metallic PLA. Extrusion temperature 195 to 225. Bed temperature 40 to 60 C. Now, while y'all are looking at all these goodies that we have here, because this box was packed with them, I'm going to get the other one ready. And bam! Got me an Alien 3D hat, dude. Come on, man. What else does it say? You're going to see me with my hat off. Got the alien claws on it. Dude, I'm all about the hat. You know that, right? I'm all about hats. Thank you, Josh. Thank you, Alien 3D. This month's box looks fantastic. And this time on Kuntry 3D, I am going to do the project is this month because I haven't looked it up. But it's got some LEDs. It's got a 9-volt connector. It looks like it'll be some fun. So I'm going to build this, and I will show that on a later date. Thank you for the hat, Josh. Thank you for the box. If you're not subscribed, get out to alien3d.us and go ahead and get you a box. They have 2 subscriptions. They have the monthly filament only box. You get all this filament in there. Or you get the full box that has everything that you were shown here. And I don't know what the paints are for this time, but, you know, creative in making is creative in making. It doesn't matter if it's 3D printing or not. 3D printing filament with some paints, print it, paint it, show it off. Get out to Alien 3D and get you a box. Y'all have a great day, and we'll see you the next time.